Everybody, welcome back to the cheap Jeep rebuild. This is part 2. Spent a lot of time at the junkyards today going through and looking at a lot of vehicles trying to get parts. Grab these tow hooks off of here, swap them over. It'd be nice to get this Renegade hood, but it's black, so then I have to repaint the whole hood. A nice rear glass. See if I can get this pulled off. You don't see these very often. Is the factory little wind guard. Yeah. No way I can get these out. Break the plastic of this thing off. Now we're the heated side mirrors. And from what I remember, these just plug right in, and then you have heated mirrors. So far, I have not gotten all the parts I need. So I will probably have to order a bunch of parts online. However, what I can show you is that this Jeep is about in the same condition as it was before, because I've been spending a lot of time trying to get rid of the decal window covers that were all over the back of the Jeep. I tried a buffing wheel for stickers to get this off and it didn't work so well, so I went with the heat gun and a plastic scraper. It's coming off much easier than the buffing wheel, and got the rest of this off. It has taken a couple hours because this is just extremely time consuming, removing a gigantic adhesive sticker that's been stuck to the vehicle for a year. We got it off with our help from Goof Off. Third brake light has not fared well with the Goof Off. Pretty cheap. I can just grab another one from the junkyard that doesn't have all that problem. The rear window I got from a donor vehicle at the junkyard. It is not broken. It works just fine. However, the struts do not work very well at all. They kind of hold it up, but not very well. Tailgate, it's broken. There's like a 3-inch gap. There's no way that's gonna work at all. This tailgate's junk. This side is nice and cleaned up as well. They'll need to get rid of the sticky adhesive that they put over this window that had failed miserably, but it's stuck to the paint fantastically. Got a set of heated side mirrors for the Jeep, and then a pair of tow hooks for the Jeep, and then I got this thing. It's a big old skid plate that I've had for a while. That is the end of episode 2 for cheap Jeep rebuild. Let me know what you thought. If I can change anything, if there are any improvements you want, any modifications or anything else I can fix. I'm trying to get this thing taken care of as soon as I can and get it back on the road, and hopefully I can drive it around before the snow comes down. But anyways, if you can, leave me a comment, like, subscribe, and let me know how I'm doing. Appreciate it. See you next time.